What's up guys, Isaiah here with Blackout Tinting. It is Wednesday and let's see what's going on. Starting off with this awesome RV. It's a Class C, 27 foot long. We're doing a lot. We're going to be doing paint protection film on the actual car part of it, as well as the front cap, and then on the rear we'll be doing a little piece at the top, as well as ceramic coating, literally everything we can touch on the exterior. Coming along. We're having a good time here because about half the shop's over at SEMA right now, and so we had to have a little good time too. All right, beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Evo behind me, doing a full paint protection film wrap. So far what we've done in addition to that is full tint, XR Plus 5, as well as tinted the windshield. Side markers have been tinted as well, and the entire body has been wrapped in paint protection film. Just needs double checked on the film and post-heated, and then we'll continue forward with the ceramic coating to finish her up. Then also behind me, we have another coating, brand new 2022 TRX. Looking great. It's here for a fusion coating, as well as we applied some decals that the customer had provided. Ford F-250, here for an annual checkup. It's been in here a couple times. She's performing pretty well. So obviously the customer has been taking care of their coating and just doing our finishing touches, and we can get it back to the customer. Kevin is hard at work today, doing tint to this 2016 Nissan, and just tinting the fronts to match the rear section, and then we'll finish up with a visor across the top to block the sun. Beautiful Ferrari F430 here. We are going to be tinting the windshield on it tomorrow and giving you nice protection against not only UV, but heat as well. Here we have a nice new F-150 Tremor. Just finished up some of our prep work for it. Cleaned it up, clayed, washed, as well as do a one-pass polish. And up next, we'll be doing the ceramic coating process. We'll literally touch everything on the exterior, being the painted areas, plastics, trim, glass, and wheels in their entirety. Got 2019 Equinox. We tinted the fronts to match the rear section, as well as a visor at the top. Completed, we're ready to go home. And then guys, you might have seen this last week, but we did a full stealth wrap on this beautiful black BMW. Completed, just needs a little bit more touch up, and then we'll be good to get her home. Alrighty, that's it for LATROBE. Luke, what do you have going on today?
What's up guys, it's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Next up for PPF is this 2022 Toyota Tundra. This is getting the full hood done in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Our full wrap of the week is this 2022 Tesla Model Y. This obviously got our stealth paint protection film. We also tinted the two front windows in 20% to match the factory tinted back windows, and then topped it off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up we have this 2023 Dodge Challenger. This is in for a full paint correction along with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire outer shell of the vehicle. In the tint bay, we have a Chevy Equinox. This is getting our Prime XR Series 15% window tint on all the side windows and the back window. In the back, we have a completed PPF job. This one is a Chevy Camaro. This one got the entire front bumper, the rocker panels, and the mirrors done in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. In the back, we have the guys working on some paint protection film. We have this Ram, along with this Porsche Panamera. So back here we have Austin doing some work on the hood. Austin, what's this vehicle getting today?
This is getting our full front clip, and we replaced the factory rear impact pieces on the rear doors because they turned yellow over time and they didn't like it anymore, so we replaced those and adding protection to the front. This Ram behind you, it's getting a full front clip and rocker panels, so everything on the front, and then the lower door rocker panels in the bottom of the bed sides is getting done.
And once that PPF is complete, we're going to be topping everything off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Early in the week, we did the two front windows in our XR Prime 20% to match the back section. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
All right, Luke, thanks for the update. It's great to see everyone doing well. But as for us, that's it for this week. Like and subscribe. If you have any ideas as to what we should be doing next, let us know. Until then, we'll see you next time.